Amazing, super amazing, amazed by the performance of Jed Madela.
Galing na singer, as in napaka-talented na isang sikat na Pilipino na singer.
Ang galing po ni Jed, yung taas ng boses niya.
Sobrang happy ko na talagang I was able to perform for our kababayans here in Paris, and of course iba pa rin ang Pinoy audience, kaya nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng mga nag-mount ng show na to. Message ko sa lahat ng mga kababayan natin ngayong Pasko, of course, I wish all the best, and I know you guys are working really hard here, and again, tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, do not forget yourselves. Sarili ninyo, love yourself and enjoy what you work hard for. Kaya maligayang Pasko po sa inyong lahat at manigong bagong taon.